Okay, so why have I got a rod in my hand and what is this video about? Well, basically I've been looking at the analytics on YouTube, and when I first started these, it started off just as a bit of a thing to do really. Then I came across Ali Dimmock, if you're watching, hi, and my goal was then to beat subscribers that he has. I think he's up to 27,000 over 2 years. I'm on 17, I'm just short of 18,000, possibly even gone 18,000 by now. So, having a look at the analytics, I think there was 122,000 hours watched last month, maybe more, I can't remember. But 80% of the people who watch don't subscribe. So, what I'm going to offer for you is, on this video, if you click the subscribe button, which will be at the end, I will give away 30 of these rods. So basically, that will be enough rods for you to create your own pile system for a garden room. I'll ship them to you as long as they are in the UK. I'll ship them free of charge as well. I'll provide the rods, 30 of which, and 30 of the steel shoes as well. So you can provide your own base. 30 is more than enough to create a 6x3, I think I worked out at, and I will also throw in a set of plans for that specific size or any size you want. So, how do you win? Right, basically, you need to leave a comment. There's a random comment generator thing on the internet I found, and that will pick a random comment out of all the comments, but you must also subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll move on to the next comment. And what my aim is to get 50,000 by Christmas. It's more than doable, I think. I mean, like I say, I'll probably get 20 before the end of this month. So, if you're interested, you want the rod system, click the subscribe button and make sure you leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, you won't be in the draw. Okay? Good luck, and I'll see you at 50,000 subs. Thank you.